G'day, my name is Raiden from Big Wave Battery. Over the past 7 years, we have been operating in Brisbane. The most common problems that we heard from customers that cause their batteries to break down are misuse and mishandling. These are totally avoidable. We would like to give you a few ideas of what they are and how to avoid them happening to you. First is proper storage. Store lithium iron phosphate batteries in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. Avoid storing them near flammable materials. Consider using a fire-resistant and well-ventilated container for storage. Our BWB battery is using a stainless steel cage which is flame retardant. Your number one worry is solved. Secondly, charging. Always use a lithium battery charger specifically designed for the battery's chemistry, which is lithium iron phosphate, like this charger here. Avoid using chargers meant for other battery types, as they may cause damage or pose safety risk. Follow the manufacturer's instructions and recommended charging parameters. Thirdly, overcharging protection. Use lithium iron phosphate batteries with a built-in overcharging protection circuits, or invest in a separate battery management system, or BMS, that offers overcharge protection. This is a BMS. This helps prevent the battery from being charged beyond its safe limits. In our Big Wave battery units, we are using the daily JBDBM and the JBDBMS to protect the battery cells. Number 4, avoid deep discharge. Lithium iron phosphate batteries perform best when they are not fully discharged. Avoid discharging them to extremely low levels, as it can shorten their lifespan. Use battery voltage monitors or indicators to keep track of the battery's charge level or voltage. If you have one of our BWB batteries units, the usable capacity of our lithium battery is up to 90%. So the BMS, the daily BMS we use, will automatically shut down to protection mode at 10 volts, which is at 10% of the battery's capacity. As soon as this happens, you need to charge the battery as soon as possible. If the battery is not being used for a long period of time, aka in storage or in storage mode, you need to make sure to maintain the battery capacity to at least 50% and check it every 3 months to prevent cell damage. Number 5. When transporting lithium iron phosphate batteries to ensure they are properly insulated and protected to prevent short circuits, store them in a non-conductive packaging or use individual battery cases to avoid accidental contact with metal objects. Like, for example, you don't want this happening. That will damage the BMS. Number 6, always placing your battery in an upright position. Each of the cells has a pressure release valve. This is its safety feature. This valve is designed to release excess pressure that may build up inside the battery during certain conditions, such as high temperatures or overcharging. When the battery is positioned upright, the pressure release valve is aligned properly with the internal structure and gas pathways within the cell. If the battery is placed on a different orientation, such as lying on its side or upside down, the valve's position may be compromised. It may not function optimally, so by ensuring that the lithium iron phosphate cell is upright, you help maintain the integrity and effectiveness of the pressure release valve, allowing it to function as intended to prevent potential hazards. And remember, these are general safety tips, and it's important to refer to the specific safety instructions provided by the manufacturer of your lithium iron phosphate battery. If you have any questions with your battery, we are always here for you. My name is Raiden from Big Wave Battery, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.